9:15, execute, go, and we'll see what happens. Maybe the coolant will splash all over the screen. That would be nice. Well, we'll see what happens. Override on, and go, and go. Right, tool 2. Okay, tool 2. I better get my air hose just in case. And we're off. .450 stops here. Sounds like the finishing pass. I believe it is. Can't really see much. It does it 6 times. I'll bring it back whenever we're closer. Alright, we're just finishing this hole up now. I'm gonna try it with the coolant off on this next hole and see how that goes. So this is our last hole, and then we got to go back and finish our bore all the way through as clearance for the bolts. And then we change out to a 1/2 inch to do the profile. Okay, and now we break it down before, at this tool change, we break this down, blow it out, and bolt it with these 4 bolts here to the fixture plate. So, that's what's next. Okay, we might lose our angle, but all we're doing is the profile out here, which is just to make it look better and not like it was built on a farm somewhere in the 1960s. And the inside bores, which all that matters is that they're concentric to the step on the other side, which they will be because they're received into the same pocket. So I'll blow this out. Let me get a better hammer. There we go. Ugh. And the back side, where it broke through, has some burrs which might try to lock in. So I'm just going to deburr it real quick. Okay, and orientation is important because this is not on center. These are the bottom. Try to split the difference a little. Okay. I'm going to change tools, and I'm going to switch my coolant to my mister. And I'm almost positive I set my tool height for tool 3. If not, better film it. Oh yeah, let's change misters. This piece of crap. And it'll take it a couple hours before anything starts to come out, so we'll continue. Looks about right. And go. Okay, so it's just beginning to touch in some spots. Looks like mostly around the corners. Well, I guess we're just running air today. Piece of crap. And I've had problems having these cut out before to where they don't clean up. So the last time I had them made, I told them, let's just leave them a 1/4 inch big. So that way I know it's a little bit more machine time, but at least they clean up. I got this at 125% and it's still getting a little bit of chatter sometimes. I don't know why. Make sure there's no chips stuck to the lens. Last pass. Is this really what you want to be doing right now? Watching this happen? There's all sorts of other great things to watch. You should just move away. Go search for yoga instructors from Sweden or something better. Decide to stay. I guess if you decide to stay, I'll speed it up for you so you don't have to suffer so much. Beat. Oh shit, that's hot. Landed right on my esophagus. Damn it. Like, what the hell does he have a golf ball in there for? This guy is an idiot. Yeah, I'm getting bored, obviously. Oh. Okay. I'm not gonna do that. This is my new and improved chip evacuation technique. There's only one small problem. You need chips first. Dun, dun, dun. Oh. There are chips down here, though. Let's see what happens. If those chips are really hot, I wonder if they could light a firecracker. it. Dang it. Not yet. Alright, back to normal for the finish pass. Not yet. Well, that was really fun. I wish I had like 8 more to do. Oh wait, I do. Boo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Boo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Okay, the smoke has cleared. And we're breaking it down. Why don't I just whack myself right in the hand? Dang it, man, come on. I haven't got cut yet. Dude, come on. Whatever you do, you make sure you want to pack all those chips underneath it and just ruin your fixture. That's the best thing to do. Ooh, now I'm getting somewhere. Oh yeah. Hit that with a file. Ta-da. Nice.